Hello everyone, so we are going to be designing 50-cent coins this week. So the first thing you want to do, click into the file name, put your last name, and the coin project. So I'll just say 31 because I've done so many. So there we go. Then we are going to start with a cylinder. Now if you want to do a different shape, that's fine. Generally we do cylinder, but I encourage you guys to do, change up things and make it unique. So we are going to make it, first we're going to make it 6 millimeters height at least, and then length and width we are going to do 40 and 40. So we've got the size. So then we have to add a design to each side of the coin, and then you are done. So you can do all kinds of things. I'm going to keep this simple, so let's say I'm going to do a star on one side. Okay. So first, we're going to have to make it hollow because we're going to be using this to make an impression in the coin. So we're going to have to take part of this cylinder out. So I'm going to make this also, I'm going to make this 3 millimeters with height. And then I'm going to, the key here, very important, is to lift it up 4 millimeters. And if we do that for both designs, there will not be a hole in the center of your coin, because if you don't lift it up enough, the designs will mesh together and you'll just have this weird looking coin with some holes in it. So then we're going to slide the star into the coin. Now it seems a little big, so I'm going to just make it a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to use a line here to center it, which you don't have to have it centered. You could have it differently, or you could have, a bunch of small stars. So let's say I wanted to do, 4 stars. Oops. Go back. Something like that you could do. And then I'm going to group this together. So they are in there. Okay, now the most important part, because if you do this wrong, it is going to mess up your whole design. And I've had kids say they understand and they still don't seem to grasp what we're doing. So we have to flip the coin over 90 degrees so it's on the bottom, so completely flipping it over. So we can either do it like this. We just slide it through the inside set of lines till you get to 180 degrees, not 90. I can't believe I said that. Okay, so there's that way of doing it, or you can tap the arrows, rotate, and then click into the degree and just type in 180, and it'll flip it over. That way it's completely flat with the ground, so many kids will accidentally only switch, they'll be off by 1 degree, and that angle is enough where it has to fill that space in here with support pieces, and your design is just going to be a big mess. So we're on the back now. Now, you can do all kinds of things for this, as long as it's school appropriate. So if you want to get really crazy, I might have to help you with this. So shape library here, it's beta, so not everybody has access to it. So if there is a design in there you see when I'm about to show you that you want, I can drop it into your file if you let me know. And you gotta let me know, pretty early on in the week so I can have a chance to get to it. So I'm going to click shape library. I can ignore a lot of that stuff. So is this it? No, I don't think we're in the right one. Yeah, this isn't it. We want, nope, not here. Where's the good stuff? There we go. Here's some of the good stuff. So we got the thundercloud, the star, the skull, the planet. There's a snowflake somewhere. Everybody loves the snowflake. There's a snowflake. So if you want a snowflake, or the action charm, or the astro charm, or the robot, let me know, and I can drop it into your Tinkercad for you. So I'm going to go with snowflake. Same thing. I'm going to make it 3 millimeters tall. I'm going to lift it up 4 millimeters high. I'm going to make it, hollow, and then I'm going to size it down to fit into the coin. close I did. Yeah, pretty close. Make it a little bit smaller. There we go. And I'm going to group it together. I'm going to put that impression in there. And there you go. I'm going to flip it over just so we can look at it. So there you go. That's all there is to it. I'm going to show you a couple other ones I've done in the past real quick just for some inspiration. All right, here's a bunch. So we got a couple state coins and some letters, skull, heart. So there's all kinds of stuff. Not sure what that one is, but it's Ohio. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions, send me an email, and if you need help getting any of these designs into Tinkercad, or you want to try something crazy and you need some advice, send me an email. And once you're done this, make sure you do the project assessment and the discussion for the project. Have a great day.